Pyxis Lab is pleased to announce the launch of the ST765SS Series Inline Oxidizer plus pH Multi-Parameter Smart Sensor Platform. This new groundbreaking sensor technology is uniquely designed for the following clean water system applications: primary disinfection, secondary disinfection, drinking and domestic water, decorative water, and clean process water. The Pyxis Lab ST765SS series are stainless steel multi-parameter non-membrane sensors based on unique electrochemical principles to determine free chlorine or chlorine dioxide, pH content, and temperature in water with a range of 0 to 5 ppm. These sensors incorporate Pyxis' advanced technology of bare gold electrochemical detection and are offered in two formats. The ST765SS FCL integrates free chlorine plus pH and temperature measurement, while the ST765SS CLO integrates chlorine dioxide plus pH and temperature. Both can perform temperature and pH compensation for the measurement of free chlorine or chlorine dioxide based on real-time conditions present in the application of use. These unique internal compensation algorithms result in highly accurate oxidizer measurement consistent with DPD wet chemistry methodology as high as a pH of 9.0 and is compliant with US EPA 334.0 and ISO 7393 guidelines. The fully integrated compensation and measurement capability of the ST765SS eliminates the need for the purchase and use of multiple sensors and a controller for pH-compensated oxidizer detection. This sensor series offers an easily replaceable front-loading reference electrode assembly that has been independently developed by Pyxis Lab, eliminating the shortcomings associated with membranes and gel replacement while offering reduced polarization time during sensor startup. The flat front-end design makes this platform less prone to contamination or fouling. It's easy to clean and offers a 6-month electrode assembly warranty with a 2-year life expectancy. Each sensor is provided with the Pyxis FR50 flow reservoir, flow meter, and pressure regulating valve. Capable of being operated on sample pressures ranging from 7.25 to 30 psi, this uniquely designed flow reservoir serves as a flow and pressure regulating vessel, enabling a calm and consistent sample flow rate of 200 to 400 milliliters per minute across the reference electrode assembly for optimal performance. The reservoir provides a 1/4-inch OD sample inlet, 20mm sample outlet, 3/8-inch OD emergency overflow, and 1/2-inch NPT drain valve, as well as a quick adapter for rapid sensor removal and maintenance. These sensors are provided with an 8-pin quick adapter bulkhead and flying lead cable and operates on a conventional 24 VDC power supply, providing fully integrated dual 4 to 20 mA and RS-45 Modbus outputs. This format enables transmittance of the oxidizer and pH values directly to any existing display, controller, PLC, or DCS network. The ST765SS sensor is also Bluetooth 5.0 enabled when used in conjunction with the MACR Bluetooth adapter accessory for local display, wireless diagnostics, and calibration using the UPyxis mobile or desktop app. Simply insert the MACR adapter between the bulkhead and flying lead cables and use the UPyxis app on your preferred device to gain live access to the sensor for pH and oxidizer calibration. For those desiring a turnkey solution, Pyxis Lab offers the newly released IK765SS series panel platform. The IK765SS series is a pre-assembled free chlorine or chlorine dioxide, pH, and temperature monitoring panel consisting of the ST765SS series sensor, selected with a pre-mounted FR50 flow reservoir, and the UC50 display and data logging terminal. These platform solutions offer real-time display, data logging, and signal output capability of sample-free chlorine or chlorine dioxide, pH, and temperature. The UC50 is a microprocessor display data logging terminal that has been pre-configured to connect Pyxis inline sensors with fully integrated calibration, scaling, and measurement protocol. When any Pyxis Lab sensor is connected to the UC50 and RS-45 Modbus, the UC50 automatically recognizes the sensor and its configuration for immediate data display, data logging, and communication. The IK765SS series detection system can be applied to a potable water piping network, secondary water supply, and water quality monitoring of domestic and clean industrial applications. To learn more about the ST765SS series sensor or the IK765SS series panels, please contact order@pyxis-lab.com or your preferred Pyxis Lab distributor.